Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning. I don't even know what this hairstyle is. Don't even ask me. I just saw it on YouTube and said I'd try it out. I really do want to think about working out some sort of business strategy to try to get my business boosted, because health is wealth, and a lot of the times persons need to get dietary advice based on whatever chronic disease they have, and Trinidad has a lot of persons with chronic diseases. So I'm thinking about getting like maybe testimonials from persons who were in the program. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time, let's go. What's up with you, baby? What's up? What's wrong? Tummy area. They're so sweet and lovable. Love them so much. Always give back your pets unconditional love. Yummy breakfast time. I did make sada roti and body yesterday. Go check it out on my Instagram or on my app. Definitely understanding portion control and making sure that you stick to high fiber things will help with your overall health and well-being. Okay, so I actually do have a presentation to work on because someone called from my insurance company this week and asked if I would present. I said sure, no problem. And I'm only charging 100 for the presentation, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it leads on to something else. Never know.
Monday, I have nothing to do. Tuesday, I have nothing to do. Wednesday, I have nothing to do. Thursday, I have nothing to do. Friday, Saturday, nothing to do. Sunday, come, I have nothing.
But he has a lot more energy, and the vet didn't see if to stop any sort of meds or if to continue with it, and I definitely have to continue with his antibiotics. I'm supposed to have a call now for the presentation, just to do like a trial run, and I'm just like looking at my slides, making sure everything's okay first. Just did a trial run. It was giving a little bit of trouble, but I just had to restart my computer. How you feeling? How you feeling? You feeling good? Huh? You feeling good? You feeling okay? Tell everybody you're feeling okay, and thanks so much for the support and love. He's good. His energy's good. I'm so happy because I was so worried. And guys, remember earlier in the week I told you guys that I went to a clinic and we're gonna do collaboration. So I got a call and they have a patient for me to see tomorrow. Woohoo! But I do have to go in physically, so I'm just gonna mask up and keep a distance to make sure that I sanitize everything that I take. Always want to make sure and take the precautions, even though there are no new cases of the virus in Trinidad. You never know if persons have it or not because you can't see it. I just realized that I had March there for the longest while. Like I was stuck in March and it's May, so just switch. It's at 100 degrees. I'm just telling like it is. I just did a kitchen madness and made this cute salad. Isn't it to die for? It tastes so good. I put pineapple, so the sweetness with the bell peppers and the chicken and tomatoes. I made everything delicious. So if you guys are interested, you could try it. And let me know if you like it. Check out my recipe in my app if you want to know about the nutrition facts of this lovely salad. You can just check out my Instagram page for the video. Check it out. Because the vet said you still have to take it. Playtime. It's already on the book. Hopefully it doesn't rain yet. Good boy. What's up? Gotta get playtime with these guys. Always. Look how gloomy it looks. Oh, who's so good, Pooba? He's so good. No. No. So sweet. Woohoo. Handsome boys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.